Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by soaking your hair with warm water to open cuticles and loosen oil. Once done, dispense 1 pump for short hair or 2 for long, and rub the shampoo between palms. Apply directly to the scalp and roots. This is where oil and buildup live, then begin to gently spread outward. You focus on the scalp first because cleansing there removes residues that weigh hair down. Make sure to avoid piling hair on top of your head, which can tangle and prevent even distribution. You should massage the scalp for about 30 to 60 seconds using fingertips in circular motions to boost circulation and lift grime. Don't use nails. Once lathered, rinse thoroughly until the water runs clear so no shampoo residue remains. Immediately after rinsing, apply conditioner focusing on mid-lengths and ends where hair is drier. Avoid the roots to prevent oiliness. Leave the conditioner in for 1 to 3 minutes to let it smooth cuticles and add slip for detangling. Then you finish by rinsing conditioner with cool water to help close the hair cuticle and increase shine. Aim for a quick cool burst at the end. After rinsing, gently squeeze excess water from lengths and blot with a microfiber towel or cotton t-shirt to avoid friction damage. If hair feels greasy after drying, make sure you skipped roots with conditioner next time. If ends remain dry, apply a small amount of leave-in or oil to the tips. This troubleshooting step fixes common post-wash issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.